Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to know if shadow banned on TikTok. So if you want to know if you got shadow banned on TikTok, so to know that what you have to do is just simply follow some easy steps. So now what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application. And after opening up your TikTok application, now what you can do is just simply tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right. After tapping on that, just simply tap on the three bar icon, which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on your settings and privacy, you just have to scroll all the way down, and after doing that, you will find this option, which is report a problem. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, you just have to again scroll down, and after doing that, you will find this option, which is submit a report. Just tap on submit a report, and after tapping on that, now you just have to send your feedback to TikTok that you want to know if your account got shadow banned. So if your account did got shadow banned, what you can do is just simply type in, please unban my account, I have not violated any community guidelines. And you can also provide the profile picture if you have of your account. And after doing that, just simply tap on submit, and after doing that, you will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to know if shadow banned on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.